ideal state. For Ghazali, ideal state in a Muslim society is the welfare state. That's something which is very important, which has been given by Ghazali. This an overriding theme that runs throughout Ghazali's writings is the Islamic concept of masala. अब ये लफ्ज़ अंग्रेज़ी में लिखा गया. Originally it can be spelled out like this: Mim, Swad, Alif, Lam, He. Masale. So Islam sets goals for human life. और इस्लाम ने ये जो गोल फॉर ह्यूमन लाइफ सेट किया है अकॉर्डिंग टू गजाली इज द पब्लिक वेलफेयर. सो पीपल हैव टू बी looked after with respect to their necessities of life. और ये जितनी एक्टिविटीज इस पब्लिक वेलफेयर के लिए उठाई जाएं, these should be in accordance with the Sharia. So all activities, things that help in achieving these goals, necessarily help in the advancement or in the enhancement of welfare of the people. So ये जितने भी matters आएंगे इस मसले के या जिनको आप यूटिलिटीज भी कह सकते हैं या जिनको आप बेनिफिट भी कह सकते हैं, ये सारे के सारे ही एक किस्म के अपोजिट हैं मुफासिद और डिसयूटिलिटीज. So when we look at this masala, it is more like the promotion of social welfare. So social welfare means that we have to look after the benefits of the people. So acquisition of benefit and repulsion of harm to the public, that is the crux of the whole welfare, let's say, approach. So all these actions which are for the welfare or for the benefit of the people have to be harmonious or in line with the Sharia. So it encompasses all human activities, economic and others, private or public, relevant for the social welfare. So activities undertaken on the part of the state for the good of the people, for the benefit of the people, where they think it is good for their living. So particularly if we look into the economic aspect, then Ghazali proposed a tripartite hierarchy of social, let's say, utilities. So he talks about necessities, जिसको वो ضروریات कह लें, conveniences और comforts, इनको आप हाजात कह लें, refinements और luxuries, तहसीनात कह लें. So the key to the minimum protection and preservation of the foundation of Sharia lies in the provision of necessities for people. So necessities, comforts and luxuries. Usually these are three concepts in any textbook on economics. So he is talking about the provision of necessities. ये बहुत let's say the first important thing for the welfare of the people. So conveniences or comforts are needed to relieve or remove impediments or difficulties in life. Luxuries फिर उसके बाद कहीं आएंगे जबकि conveniences लोगों की पूरी हो जाए. तो गजाली के मुताबिक it is the obligation of the state, जिसको वो फर्द कफाया कह लें, कि वो लोगों की जो needs हैं या basic needs हैं, these have to be fulfilled, and then these needs are to be fulfilled in accordance with the resources available at the disposal of the state, and there should be justice in the provision of these needs. There should be equity over here.